Let's dive into Inkontru, your guide to the best arts, cultural and traditional events here in Malta and Gozo. When you open the app, you'll find the event feed where you can scroll through exhibitions, workshops and way more. Explore categories like art, tradition, even family and more. There's something for everyone. If you're looking for something specific, you can just use the search bar or use the search filters to search by location, date, or even event type. You can also check out the calendar view, which is perfect for if you're planning the week ahead. And if you want to save an event to your favorites, you just need to create a free account where you can store everything. It only takes a couple of minutes. And if you found something you like, just tap on the event to see where it's happening, what it's about, and how you can get there. And that's it. It's quick, easy, and full of ideas for your next outing. So visit inkontru.app and start exploring.